In today's video, I'm going to teach you to recover deleted project in CapCut. If you've ever removed a project by mistake, don't panic. CapCut keeps deleted items in a dedicated trash area for a limited time, so there's a good chance you can bring your work back. Start by opening your CapCut app. From the home screen, head to your projects area where you normally see your existing edits. This page shows your drafts and finished edits in a grid or list. What we're looking for is the trash or recently deleted section. Depending on your version, it may appear as a trash can icon or a label near the top of the project screen. Tap that to open the folder that stores items you've deleted. Inside the trash, you'll see projects that were removed, often with thumbnails, names, and the date they were deleted. CapCut typically holds these for a set period, commonly a few weeks, before permanently erasing them, so timing matters. Scroll through the list and locate the project you want to recover. If you're not sure which one is which, look at the thumbnail or timestamp to help you identify the correct edit. Once you've found it, tap the three-dot menu next to that project. In the menu that appears, choose Restore. CapCut will move the project back to your main projects view, just like it was before you deleted it. If your media was stored locally on your device, CapCut will try to relink those files automatically. If you used cloud storage, make sure you have an internet connection so the project can resync properly. After restoring, go back to your project screen and look for the recovered project. Open it to confirm your timeline, clips, and edits are intact. It's a good idea to give it a clear name so you can find it easily later. If you rely on Cloud Sync, leaving the app open for a moment can help ensure everything finishes syncing before you continue editing. A few quick tips to keep in mind. If you don't see your project in the trash, it may have been permanently removed due to the retention limit, or you might be signed into a different CapCut account than the one that created it. Also, app layouts can vary slightly by version and device, but the trash or recently deleted area will be accessible from the projects section. That's all there is to it. Open CapCut, go to projects, enter the trash, find your deleted edit, tap the three dots, and select Restore. Your project is back and ready for you to continue editing.